raising the bar for laughs. And new Rising Stars winner destined for gospel.
What himself? Are the youngest lad, Johnny.
Popular culture offering up a rich vein of hilarity for stand-up comedian and comedy bar creator Johnny Daley.
We're dealing with serious issues in Jamaica. There's climate change happening. People are flooding out. Nobody really is paying attention to this. But mackerel and bully beef have your attention. So when the DJs do what they do, when the politicians do what they do, when social media goes abuzz with something, that's fodder for the comedian.
But you need people to fork out money to come to your show.
Absolutely.
And to sit down and
Yes.
buy drinks
Yes,
and
because
have a good
production
chuckle.
costs a lot of money. So people need chairs. Chairs cost money, lights cost money, sound costs money, promotion costs a lot of money, which is why I'm thankful that the sponsors I do have that are supporting me and have been supporting me over the years have come on board, because that's been my appeal for several years, that we need help. I remember, Anthony, there's no venue in Jamaica. There's nothing done for artists like myself, which is why the dancehall artists now are crying out, because there's no place for them. There's no place for a stand-up comedian like myself. We have to create the spaces.
We just have good one of black people. And it's about somebody move and say, yo, we sweat at all. And somebody move their space and say, yo, what you sweat at more, you sweat at more. You never move, so me.
Lots of laughs in the cards at this weekend's Johnny Daley Comedy Bar Special, featuring among others UK joker White Yardie.
So what you say a while ago?
Because he's tapping into Jamaican culture.
He's tapping into the Jamaican culture and exposing it, absolutely. And we want to support people
in a mocking way?
No, he's Jamaican.
Well,
you can't go there, and you're mad.
Well, so what if he did?
Jamaica, yeah, because we do that too. So we mock Jamaican things, we mock Jamaican culture, and I'm sure he's going to come here and do some things where might offend or might put off some people.
Hello, doctor. I want you book me in for your ears check. I need to check my ears them, because my son tell me a bag of foolishness.
They should remember you're at a comedy event. You went there to laugh, forget the politics of the moment, and just laugh. I want to tell people at accommodation, I want to shout out sometimes, suspend your own little idiosyncrasies or belief when you're coming here. In this room, this is a room for you to let loose and laugh. Comedy is really literally out there, which is why I'm trying to tell people it's scary as hell to be a comic. I'm not gonna lie to you. But when you do the work, when you give yourself the ammunition and you have the talent, it's about the written material and the delivery. You can put those two things together, magic.